This is the wiring diagram for a BMW E46 hazard switch, which is also the central locking switch. This switch is actually a direct input to the light switch control unit. So this is not a fuse switch, it's a direct input. So if you're having a problem with this switch, the best thing that you could do would be to replace the switch and check functions. This is the component location of the switch. As you can see here, it's actually just held on by these push clips. So if you pry on the sides, or if your switch is already broken, you could use a pick and just hook it, and then with a sharp tug up you can actually pull the switch right out. And then it's just a simple one plug connection. It's plug and play, so once you plug it in, turn the key on, and you can try it out and see if your hazards work. If your hazards work, then most likely your central locking will be working.